Hello and welcome. In this video session, we will write a simple Python program. A Python program is a file with .py as an extension, and this is also called as a script file, Python script file. And in order to execute the Python program, we have to type in Python followed by the name of the Python program file that we have created. Let us see the same with an example. Now here we can see that we are creating a file called as hello and we have the extension .py. This means the file which we are creating is a Python program file. Here we are using a simple Python statement print and followed by the sentence that we wish to print on the screen. Now let's execute this program. In order to execute this program, we have to type in Python. Here we are using Python 3 because we wish to use the Python version 3 followed by the name of the Python program that we have created. We can see that the sentence that was present within the print is now printed onto the screen. So this is the sentence that we wish to print onto the screen, and the same is being printed when we use Python followed by the name of the Python program. So a program is a set of Python statements which is created together to do a useful work. So in the next video sessions, we will learn more on Python programming. Thank you.